Hello, this is Ashna Vinod. These are my grandparents. Around 2021 lende we were like checking out for properties to get a house. So apne we came across Jain Housing's property in a paper advertisement, and we just came around in Neoma. There's a new project to check out because we had checked out many other builders projects and stuff too. But then when we came here, we really liked like the location and the accessibility. Like it was too close to my brother's college, it was close to my office, and like the location seemed good, and the house like it seemed like for the this is a 4 BHK. So for the value, like the value for money, it was really good. So like that, we were seeing, and we were, by the proceedings, we really loved how it was like everything looked around. So we booked it, and then when it came to like the documentation and the like process with the marketing people and the sales people, it went so smoothly. It was they were really helpful actually, and they made us explain through everything, what all are the benefits, and like what how much like all the payment, the paperwork works, everything. So we were like really happy with how smooth everything went. Like the construction quality was really good. Like already the buildings, by the time we were coming, many of the blocks already done. People had already started living as well.
ஐ எம் வேணுகோபால். ஒரு பேப்பர் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் பார்த்தா ஜெயின்ஸை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுது. இங்கே வந்து பார்த்த உடனே என்னமோ ஒரு அட்ராக்ஷன். அது மாதிரி இந்த சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் ப்ளே கிரவுண்ட், சீனியர் சிட்டிசன்ஸ் என்ன மாதிரி ஆளுங்க உட்காரத்துக்கு பேசுகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு நிறைய இருக்குது. மரம் நிழல் நிறைய இருக்குது. கிராண்ட்சன் அவருக்கு காலேஜ் பக்கத்தில் இருந்ததுனால இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கன்வீனியன்ட் இங்கேருந்து போய் வர்றதுக்கு. கம்பேரிட்டிவ் ரைட்டு வரைய பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மீதி எல்லார்கிட்டையும் சேலஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், அந்த அளவுக்கு ரைட் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருக்குது.
So just as my grandparents were also saying, like the open space is like really good. It brings people together. It gives like a community space, like because there are so many buildings and blocks here. There are two phases, but still if we have so many friends and people talk and everything, it's because there's like a undivided share. Basically, like we have this big playgrounds and like whole community system properly, like be it in the community hall, in the gyms and everything. So whenever there's celebrations, everybody just comes together at one place, or like two big, like then the big playground, which is like really great. It's like really fun also because everybody is just there. It's like a good community, very safe, very like the people are also good. So like so far I've had no issues that okay, there are some what do you call neighbors issues or fights or anything as such, because people are really good and sweet here. And then when it comes to like our apartments, like whenever there's been no electricity issues, because if there's a current cut, immediately generator gets turned on. So we like the electricity is seamless. We have had no such issues with that. Same with water availability, water facilities, and drainage. We have had no issues like blockage or any seepage, nothing, no issues as such.
Pollution free.
Very, very pollution free, because like and especially like our the apartments, one biggest advantage, it has this lake view also, right? So the whole atmospheric is very seamless, like the whole clean air and everything, and the whole passage of wind, breeze, it's quite good because of that. And now and also when we were getting this place, the transparency that was given to us by the team, it was so good, and they were like so helpful with all the points with how it is, and it was like what they told, like whatever was promised is what we got actually. That's what I can tell. And like all the paperwork, everything was done so smoothly. Only thing, we had to come for the handover. Everything was taken care by James Steen like so well. So I think like I don't have too much of words because it's like endless. The experience here is so good, and I would recommend, like highly recommend, for any like people coming to Chennai to settle down, or like people who are already in Chennai to like come into Jain's apartment, especially Pebblebrook. It's really good, safe, good, healthy community. Has all the amenities like gym, swimming pool, everything. Even kids are there, and like all age people, and everyone is like in a great community here. And yeah, we are so very happy with Jain's. We really love it here.